Hello, friends. This is Anson Thomas, and once again, a voice for the voiceless. And today, I would like to share with you something which happened in the Supreme Court a few days back, and that is a shoe was hurled on the Chief Justice of India when some matter was going on. Dear friends, at the outset itself, let me tell you that this is a very small matter, a shoe hurled on the Chief Justice of India. You may be wondering, what is this guy saying? Yes, the Chief Justice of India took it in a very light manner. Chief Justice Gavai, the respected Chief Justice of India, the Supreme Court of India, the Chief Justice takes it in a very light manner and he returns the shoes. And you see the Prime Minister of India calling the Chief Justice of India to speak to him. And no action is taken against this person. This person may be an elderly person. As an advocate, he is a responsible person. He is not a lay person, but an educated person. And finally, what happens? No action is taken against this person. Why? Because it's a small matter, light matter, throwing a shoe on the Chief Justice of India. Yes, with all responsibility, I too am saying this because it's not just because the Chief Justice of India took it in a light manner and returned the shoes, and that this person was not arrested. In the Supreme Court, there are lawyers who are out over there voicing out that this is not right. Outside the advocate's house, there are people who are having a lot of morchas and they are come out and they are voicing out that this is not right, action is not taken. Dear friends, as I again mentioned to you, this is a small thing which the Chief Justice of India has taken it up, a shoe thrown on him. Maybe thinking, why am I repeating again and again a small matter, a shoe thrown on the Chief Justice of India? Yes, I see something much more bigger and greater, where Justice Loya, the judge of the Sessions Court of Mumbai, he had gone for a marriage to Nagpur. Yes, for a colleague's son or daughter's wedding, I do not know, but gone there and finally he returns dead. It appears that he died of a cardiac arrest, and there are so many different theories which has come up on this matter. There's a book too which has come out, Who Killed Judge Loya? And it is investigative journalism where a lot of facts and figures have been presented. So, dear friends, it's not that all of a sudden that this judge goes to Nagpur and he dies of a cardiac arrest. There are different theories. Who took this judge to the hospital? He was taken in an auto rickshaw or he was driven in a car by the Chief Justice who was also present over there. He took him in his car, the statement given to one of the investigating officer. So there are all these different type of controversial theories which has come up. And the Chief Justice then, Dr. D.Y. Chandrachud, he hears the matter. When does he hear the matter? When this matter was there in the Mumbai High Court and it was being heard and this matter was called and then a judgment was given. I believe that there is nothing more than what the eye can see. Like there is nothing which has happened where you have to take some action or investigate about this matter. And that is how this whole matter about Judge Loya was diluted and there was no further investigation at all, despite there being a hue and cry. So, dear friends, a judge, a brother judge, supposed to be killed, and then the matter comes up in Bombay High Court. The matter was called in the Supreme Court by Dr. D.Y. Chandrachud, the then Chief Justice of India. And this matter was closed. So, hurling a shoe on the Chief Justice of India, is it a big matter? No. When a judge was murdered and no investigation was done, so is hurling a shoe on the Chief Justice of India a big matter? Where even the Prime Minister of India calls the Chief Justice of India, ask him everything is over, and the people of India are very angry. I wish and hope if the Prime Minister of India had called when matters were happening in Manipur, when so many people were killed, where so many ladies were raped, churches were pulled down and burnt. If the Prime Minister of India would call and speak to some people in authority, the Chief Minister of Manipur, or such type of authority, then I would have said hats off. There was value in what the Prime Minister is speaking. Prime Minister Narendra Modi at that time should have called. Today there are so many churches which is being attacked. So many people are being put in jail. Wish the Prime Minister of India would have been sensitive in calling and speaking to the chief ministers, because all these people have voted, and that is how the Prime Minister of India is today the Prime Minister of India. People of all caste community have voted and elected. I'm not going into the vote chori, which the opposition leader is talking about. Today he is the Prime Minister of India. If the Prime Minister of India can call up the Chief Justice of India just on a minor matter where a shoe has been hurled on the Chief Justice of India, there are so many big matters. The Prime Minister of India should have been sensitive about Judge Loya being killed. When the matter came up in Bombay High Court, in the Supreme Court, that action should be taken against those people if they are involved. It appears that there is something much more than what the eye could see in this whole matter. So, what is wrong in being transparent? And that is, dear friends, when you dilute things, all these things happen. I must have said that this is a small thing in my initial remark, that a judge on whom a shoe is being thrown is a small matter. It's a matter of shame for all the people of India, because this news has gone all over. And you cannot take it lightly. Jesus on the cross forgave. It's good. Yes, there has to be forgiveness. If this had happened out on the road to this Chief Justice of India, yes, could have said that he forgave him. But when he was sitting on that bench as the Chief Justice of India, it should have been a deterrent to this people and many other, because this can follow to many other courts where they will hurl abuse, they will hurl shoes and chappals on the magistrate and judges and justices. At that time, what are you going to do? This is going to be a deterrent where the Chief Justice of India did not take any action and this person was not arrested. And when he was taken by the police, he was given tea biscuits, and lunch was given to him, and all these things happened at the police station. So this is how an accused, even if he's an advocate, was treated. So dear friends, it's really sad. It's really sad that the people, the citizens of our country, feel really ashamed of such a thing which has happened. And it's for the judiciary to take up action against such type of people. If a lay person has committed something on the court, I have seen when matters go on, if a lay person, when he is presenting himself, when he says something, immediately action is taken. Contempt of court. Is this not contempt of court? Why action should not be taken against this person? And this person had no matter in this court, in the court of the Chief Justice of India. And how did he appear over there? So it was premeditated. And all these things which happened, and there may be something much more than what the eye can see. That is, there may be many other people who are involved to go and do such an act. So there has to be an investigation, and this person should have been taken up as an accused, but he is let off. Why? Because this is a small thing, a shoe hurled on the Chief Justice of India. So dear friends, this is Anson Thomas once again, a voice for the voiceless. And we as citizens of our country are concerned about all that is happening in our country. And we have to be a voice for the voiceless, even if it is in the Supreme Court of India, and say, it is my country. India belongs to me and Bharat belongs to me. Who else will speak if we as a citizen, we don't raise our voice? May God be with you and God bless you. Thank you very much. Shalom.